So what is ETL? So we hear this name a lot of times. So what is ETL? So ETL simply stands for extract, transform, load. Just as I said earlier, you buy vegetables, you organize them, and you store it in your fridge. Just like that. So you extract everything from different places, and you using this SQL or any other tool, you clean this, you transform this, and if you want to do some calculations, you do that, and then you store it in your final warehouse. So final warehouse. A warehouse is a place where you store all these things. So SQL plays a major role in every of these stages. It helps you to convert this raw, unclean data into a structured and meaningful information. So if you know this SQL, that means you can control, clean, and move data. That makes you incredibly valuable, whether as a data engineer or whether as a data analyst or whether as a data scientist. So SQL is everywhere. That's all for today. So just stay tuned for tomorrow for the next topic and comment out in the section and what you feel more about this data and search and analyze this data. You are going to the Instagram, analyze this data. So that is what this data. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comment section. I will reply out as soon as possible and subscribe this channel. Feel free to ask me anything. See you soon.